The Motive Fuel Card is designed to help trucking businesses, from solo owner operators to large fleets, cut down on fuel costs and bring serious automation to their expense management. What grabs attention first is the straightforward savings, up to 2.5% cashback in the first year on every dollar spent, followed by 1.5% in later years. Partner discounts are a big deal too, with access to over 5,000 locations, including major fuel stops like Love's, TA, and Circle K, plus all sorts of maintenance shops. Drivers can use the Motive app to find the best deals, track optimal fueling spots, and avoid those pricier stations, with their AI tools helping spot missed savings, sometimes up to 5% per fuel spend. Security stands out as another strength. Controls are highly customizable, letting you set limits and block certain merchants or types of expenses, and their AI fraud detection is top-notch, watching for suspicious activity and mismatched locations. Motive also offers a fraud protection guarantee up to $250,000 a year, and added security means every card purchase has to be unlocked in the app first, making skimming far less likely. The platform doesn't stop at spend management. It combines everything from vehicle tracking and driver safety to compliance and maintenance, giving fleet managers a real-time, all-in-one dashboard. Automated IFTA reporting, mileage tracking, and spend reports save serious admin hours and help keep things organized. Plus, the Motive Card is a MasterCard, usable almost everywhere, and there are no sneaky fees, no annual activation or transaction costs as long as weekly balances are paid. There are drawbacks. The Motive platform itself isn't always cheap, especially if you need their hardware and setup for full integration. Since the system depends on cell service, it can falter in remote areas. There's no satellite backup, which can mean patchy tracking where coverage is poor. Some users have found features like maintenance management and event notifications less robust, and complicated contract downgrades or cancellations have been a frustration for a few. Customer service quality can be hit or miss, and there are occasional technical glitches that disrupt operations. To wrap up, the Motive Fuel Card is a strong solution for fleets seeking to simplify operations and maximize fuel savings, but it's important to weigh platform costs, connectivity limitations, and reported service and reliability issues before making the switch. Businesses that operate in areas with spotty cell coverage or need more advanced features should check out other platforms with satellite options and broader tool sets. Always choose the one that fits your specific needs and budget.